Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Capi, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 17 till the 23rd of Feb. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box and you will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below for the same. It's life changing and I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. You can trust me on that. Okay, now let's start. Cappies, let's see what we have for this week for Capricorn people from the Oshos and Tarot deck. 17th we have the receptivity. Now on the 17th of Feb, the more you are going to be in the receptive mode, the more you will be able to see guidance, get answers, or get like solutions to the problems that you might be facing in some area of your life. So how to be receptive to the universal forces, to the universal energies? You can affirm that I am receptive, I am ready to receive whatever messages, guidance and answers I have from the universe's side. I am ready to receive. Okay, with open arms, with open heart. 18th, we have the friendliness. Now, on the 18th of Feb, you're going to realize that, especially with opposite sex people, the friendship energies are very good, very beautiful, very deep rooted. Somebody around you is going to make you realize that not all the friendships with the opposite sex people are full of lust or always romantic, or they should not be, right? So friendliness is all about you merging with somebody in a very, very beautiful way, but with a friendship kind of energy, not with lustful or sexual or just romantic kind of energies. This particular day is really beautiful for you to understand the real essence of friendliness, Capricorn. Yeah, I think I said Sagittarius by mistake. Please ignore that. It's for Capricorn. This reading is for Capricorn. 17th receptivity, 18th friendliness. 19th we have the laziness. Now on the 19th of Feb, you might have this tendency to just lay in your bed or do nothing at all and procrastinate the important things that you should be for like finishing on that day only. Otherwise you might end up regretting it later a little bit, because it's going to put you in this energy of finishing something fastly on the next day or in the next coming few days. It's like finishing it because you procrastinated. So try not to procrastinate on this particular day, honey. Yeah. 20th we have the integration. So Cappy is the more you are going to stay in touch with your balanced kind of approach of feminine, masculine, divine feminine and divine masculine, the more your life is going to be easier and the more your life is going to be very, very balanced. So you have to balance it out, balance the divine feminine and divine masculine, basically balance the emotional and the logical side, and then make your choices, make your decisions, wise choices, wise decision with this kind of balance kind of approach, and see the magic unfolding. Everything is going to be beautiful for you. 17, 18, 21st we have the traveling. Now on the 21st of Feb, you might not be able to see the clear picture of the path ahead of you in order to achieve some kind of goal in your life, but the moment you will start traveling, start walking on that path, you will be able to see the path in front of you clearly. So start traveling, start going in that direction, take the initiative and you will be able to find the other steps as well. 22nd we have the lovers. Now on the 22nd of Feb, you are going to feel the true essence of true love, you can say. In some way you are going to realize the deeper meaning of love, the true meaning of love, the true meaning of what unconditional love feels like. In this particular deck, the lovers is all about unconditional love, unconditional feeling of equal give and take of energy from both the sides, especially from your side. You are going to feel like a provider here. You are going to feel like, okay, this is something really beautiful and I am going to do whatever I can do in order to make something work out in a beautiful way. It's not always about romantic lovers. It's about every kind of connection that you're going to feel with and every person, and then the deeper meaning of unconditional love. Now the patience we have on the 23rd of Feb is like patience. The more you are going to stay patient with yourself, with your energies, the more it's going to be beautiful for you to give birth to something really, really beautiful in the coming future. So patience is the key here. The more you are going to be in this energy of getting restless and getting things done right now, the more it's going to be difficult for you to get things done in a beautiful and positive way. Okay, so this is what I have for you, Capricorn. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.